Hi guys, welcome to another video. So, are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel? Do you want to make money on YouTube? Well, before you go buying lots of courses, and wasting your money like I've done, I have spent a lot of money on courses and apps, trying to cheat the system, trying to get ahead, trying to get rich quick, only to fail and find out that it doesn't work. But I invested in a course and it wasn't that expensive, and it was from a guy called Mark. And since then, my channel, which is this Movies, Games, Beyond, started doing really well. I struggled to get subscribers. Now I've got 7.25. I've started making money each month. I'm making money, and as you can see by this here, the first couple of months I wasn't making much money at all. It was like £3, £5, like nothing expensive. Then I started, that's probably my highest month. Then I bought the course off Mark, and then the next month I earned that. Month after, and you can see it's growing and growing. Now last month I didn't make as much. I'm not sure why, but I didn't make as much. But I'm making money now, guys, and that's what it's all about. And it's all down to this Mark, his course. So all I'm saying today, guys, is I'm going to leave the link in the description. And if you want to check it out, feel free, guys. Check his channel out. Check his videos out. He knows what he's doing. I've watched his channel grow. He's called Mark, and the channel is Not Taught at School. It's really good, guys. But yeah, so the link's in the description. Check it out by all means. It does work. Don't go wasting thousands and thousands on courses. I've been there, done that, and just be careful, guys, because there's many courses out there. A lot of them are fake. A lot of them are like just copies of some other people's courses. I actually bought 2 courses off 2 different creators, and they were pretty much the exact same. I think one of them had bought it, copied it, and then sold it as his own. But Mike teaches a different way. He teaches how to scale your channel as well as how to make money, but not just from YouTube ads. He shows you lots of different ways so you can earn passive income. The course is called YouTube Passive Success. When you click on the link, it will bring you to this sort of page, and it shows you how I unlock the key to earning a daily passive income, without any experience, without any technical skills or a big budget. Then you watch this, and you'll go through it all with you guys. And then if you scroll down, it'll show you all the different like people's reviews and all his testimonials and that. And if you do scroll down, guys, you'll see my testimonial, and you'll see like that income shot I just showed you. I've got like previous one, so you can see where I started to make proper money. So this is a short video, guys. I just thought I'd share it because I share a different way. I show you different channels of how they're making money, but you might be thinking, well, how do I make the channel? How do I grow the channel? How do I use tags and what do I put in the description, etc. Well, in this course, guys, Mark shows you everything. He shows you how to start from scratch and then work your way up. And then while you're waiting for get your subscribers and that, he shows you how to make money beforehand, like with affiliate marketing, with lots of different ways, guys. He says it better. I'm still learning because I'm like you guys. I'm just a single dad with 2 boys trying to grow, build my empire. Anything I find, I share with you guys, and I think this is the best thing for share with you guys. This is the only YouTube course you'll need, and so let's check it out, guys, and see what you think. Let me know in the comments. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.